Hi, I'm Pallavi.
I'm Ayati,
And
and
welcome to
we are just
Say.
say. How is everyone doing?
Tell us.
Yeah, this is special. I've called you guys over for a chai
Oh,
party.
nice.
Nice. Let's go.
But it tastes really good, Ayati. For a first timer, you're good at it.
Yeah, this is the as romantic as it gets. I know. I don't mean like both of us.
Yeah, no, no,
I
no,
mean
not us. No,
like,
no. Together.
isn't it so romantic? Like when your partner makes chai for you. Like
Yeah.
that's the little cute moments you find when you're dating someone, right? Like I love that.
Taking you on nice, cute little dates, doing little things for
Yeah.
you.
You
It's
can be at
cute.
home also and do these little
Yeah.
things. Or can you really? Do you think in India, like the dating scene is like so chill that you can just like be home with your partner?
Oh, I don't think so. What do you mean being home with your partner? What is that? Until you're married, you can't do that, right? Isn't that the rule? All bro, people hide like somehow wait for their parents to sleep to go out and sneak out and meet their boyfriends.
I mean, उसमें भी अलग मजा है. There's fun
Alag
in that.
risk.
But yeah, it gets exhausting after a point because the whole logistics of dating in India is so exhausting that you'd rather not date anyone.
Yeah, I was like, why so much struggle? But
तुम friend zone में ही रहो उससे अच्छा.
everybody's being friend zoned. I think, yeah, a lot of relationships actually fall because of, I can't date you because my parents are not cool, or, because you are from a different religion and my parents are not okay with it. People are deeply in love, but
Yeah.
like, no, there
Yeah.
is no future with us. Why is it so hard? Why is it
Why
like
is it
that?
so hard, really? And it's not just like religion, it's religion, caste, age, height, skin tone,
Money, how much
money,
money you're getting?
what qualification, what
MA degree hai
position you
na?
are at. Are you gonna have a promotion soon?
Yeah, like
And
if you don't have a house, like we spoke in our other podcast,
yeah,
like what? बंदा settle ही नहीं है
yeah,
कैसे?
settle ही नहीं है.
Why you dating this guy?
Yeah,
इसके पास ना घर है, अच्छी नौकरी नहीं है,
yeah.
he only earns what 20,000 rupees. तो कैसा?
Is it
Why
like
is
a lot more pressure on the guy when it comes to dating in India? Do you
Oh,
think?
of course. I think, I mean, we just say, their life is easy, blah, blah, blah. I mean, I say it, try
Yeah.
to be a big feminist. See, so many things guys need to take care. They have to have hair on the head. Oh, yeah,
Oh
that's the
my
biggest
God.
factor. If you
Yeah.
don't have, अरे लड़का तो
Yeah.
भाई क्या bald है, कैसा शादी?
Yeah.
No, that is one of the biggest factors. Like, why?
Yeah.
Even within your family, if you'll see, the expectations for guys and is very different.
Okay.
Yeah, I mean, as far as I know,
Yeah.
so it is hard for guys.
Yeah. But my whole problem with this argument is that we're looking for these qualities in men straight for shadi. Like, where is the whole dating thing? Like, why do we need to like put so much pressure to like jump straight into shadi when the whole
Yeah.
point is dating is so much more about companionship? So, obviously, when you're dating someone, all the boxes cannot be ticked. Like, it's more about finding yourselves together with each other. You know what I mean?
Yeah, because they need to live with each other, right?
Yeah.
Some of the arranged marriages happen. The guy, if you check in like the Gao areas, you won't know who you're getting married to.
Yeah.
And your parents will go and check the girl or check the guy, and they'll be
Yeah.
like, "हाँ, ये है बंदा तुम्हारा जीवन साथी,"
Yeah.
and that's it.
Yeah. And I
Isn't
feel
it?
like that's a very big gap, right? Like
Yeah.
we're not taught how to date a person.
Yeah. There is the dating culture is very weird in India.
There is no culture.
Yeah, until you come from a very I don't know,
Privileged.
privileged and a very broad family. If you check any middle class or a lower
Yeah.
middle class, which half of the Indian population is,
Yeah.
no
Yeah.
culture. I know people who are, I don't know, 28, 29 years old. They have never
Never
told their
dated.
family that, okay, I've been dating. I don't know why it's
Yeah.
not open out
Yeah.
there. We know they date, right?
Yeah.
We know things
Everyone
would.
dates.
Yeah, bro. But we never communicate this.
Because इतना सब छुप छुप के करना पड़ता है. Sometimes it's also so very unsafe, right?
Yeah.
Like you're dating some person and your family doesn't know about it at all. They don't know a whole part of your life.
Yeah.
Like so many kids have to like suffer in silence when they have breakups. and they have to
Yeah,
just
bro.
cry on their pillow. And at that point, actually, you want to confide in your
Yeah.
parents and your family because you need that support, like that emotional
Yeah.
support. But strangely, like Indian society doesn't like necessarily allow for that exchange of conversation that, hey, I'm suffering because of a breakup, or this has happened. And yeah, it's
And
a bit,
it's normal, no? Like our parents, their parents,
yeah,
something was also there with them,
yeah,
right? Unke bhi hue honge scenes. I mean, they just don't say it, but they also know that they
yeah,
have done things,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
But I don't know why it's not that common to talk about all these things.
But it's the whole point is like this is the most natural thing, and yet it's like highly discouraged. Like you're denying someone the right to be human, to express your human emotions of love towards another partner or another person. In that whole process of like hiding it, you end up doing a lot of wrong things, a lot of
Yeah.
telling lies to people, compromising on your own values and stuff. And that I find a bit wrong. Like I remember when I was in school, a lot of my friends were dating at that point, like in 9th, 10th standard. Like strangely, it was very normal to be dating in my classroom. I was not one of
Wow.
them. But the moment a teacher would find out about someone dating, it would become like a very bad scene. Like their parents would be called and they would be told
Oh
about it and
shit.
everything. And I feel like I get your concern for the student, but also isn't that like a personal choice? Like it's so weird that you have to bring up your parents. Like as long as the education of that student is not hampered,
I think that's what's the
yeah.
biggest concern is.
Yeah, but as long as they're performing good in their grades, they are doing okay mentally. Sometimes partnerships even help you become a better person,
It does.
right? Like, so calling your parents and informing them that they're dating this person, and then
Yeah.
the whole drama
It's weird.
happens, and I'm like, just let them
Let them
be,
be, yeah.
let them make their own mistakes, let them
Learn
get
from it,
prepared.
bro.
Yeah,
Yeah.
learn from it.
For a bigger thing, just like you mentioned, no, there are a lot of times, okay, that parents tell you that अरे तुमको focus करना है पढ़ाई पे, you can't get distracted. That is like their patent. They always
Yeah.
say it, right? But then as long as the kids are doing, I know people who have been doing things. So there was a scholar girl in my school.
Yeah.
Okay, she had everything perfect. She'll have perfect grades. She has perfect fucking,
Extracurricular,
yeah,
everything.
extracurricular
Everything.
activities,
Yeah,
everything
good
so good,
reputation and everything. Yeah.
everything. She's like, that perfect girl that we talk about. But she had a boyfriend, and her parents found out, and they took her. They didn't let her complete after ninth standard because you can't have a boyfriend. And when I'm talking about this comes from a very conservative family.
Right.
Like, do you? I think after you get married to a person is the only time you can see the face of a woman. Is that kind of family? They took her out of the school, bro, after ninth standard.
That is upsetting. Like,
That is so upsetting. So yeah, I
what a
don't know.
waste, right? Like, she's doing everything right,
But just because
and
she's
yet you're
dating,
denying it
yeah.
because she's doing like the most human thing possible of dating someone. That is so sad. Like, that's the thing I mean. Like, we're not teaching kids to balance their lives, you know? Like,
Yeah.
why do you need to choose between studying and dating? Because in real life, when you grow older, you're gonna have to balance work with relationships, right? And I
Yeah.
feel like this whole mentality of bringing up kids with, oh, you can either do this or
Or
that,
yeah.
you can either date someone or be good at your studies, kind of hampers their vision of what like work life balance should be when they actually marry or when they have a long term partner. How are they going to like give time to their partners and also balance work if you're not teaching them at an early point that you should be doing that?
Yeah. I think there should be a module. There should be a module in our Indian society, in our
Yeah.
Indian education,
Yeah.
that it's okay
Yeah.
to have people in your life. Boyfriends आते हैं जाते हैं, and that is a very childish
Yeah.
stuff also, right? When you're in ninth or 10th
Yeah. It's a
standard,
tender
yeah,
love.
it's just tender, and it's not gonna last forever.
Yeah. But
You
it
know,
teaches you
it teaches you
lessons. It
lessons.
teaches
Yeah,
you how it tells you things about yourself. It tells you things about how you are with another person, what you like about them, what you like about yourself as well. And like going forward, it's like, in a job, the more jobs you will do, the better you will become because you learn from different
yeah,
jobs.
yeah. Yeah, I mean, you've put it very nice, as always. See, if we are so open with our parents about all this, if we have a problem, consider a 10th standard boy, okay, has something going on in the school and he has problems understanding himself because that's the age when you are going to hit your puberty or like you're being a teenager, and
Yeah.
there'll be a lot of challenges that you'll face as a young girl or a young boy. And at that point, if you're able to share something that's happening in
Yeah.
the school with your parents, it's so good. Like you can teach your kids because you have experience. You can guide them to be a better
Yeah.
version of themselves.
Because obviously parents have more experience in this area
Yeah.
anyway, so might as well look up to them and like take some thoughts from them. Speaking of that, I was just speaking to a British colleague of mine, and she said something. She was like, "Yeah, I just dropped my daughter to the boyfriend's place, and this girl is like, her daughter is like maybe in her teens or something." And I was like, my Indian brain couldn't fathom it. It's just I couldn't. You are.
Dropping your daughter to a boyfriend's place? Are you crazy, woman?
I couldn't. Like I've been
Couldn't
conditioned so strongly.
How dare you? Let me make you talk to our Indian families. पापा
तुम अपनी ही बेटी को जाने दे रही हो
ऐसे
और
क्यों
तुम
कर
ही
रही हो?
छोड़ रही हो उसको.
पागल हो क्या तुम?
So all of that makes me like wonder like will we ever be this chill about dating in our teens?
I'm pretty
You
sure we
think?
won't be. Few things, the gaps that we are talking about.
But anyway, because there's like dating is not like culturally that prominent, it's still quite new in India. I think some things we still have to figure out. Like people don't understand what your first date should be, or second date should be, or third date should be sometimes, right? Like, where do you go for a first date? I mean, there are restaurants and stuff, but like, no one takes me to like a museum or an art gallery or some
Where is even art gallery in
or a
India, bro?
park. Exactly.
एक ही दो art gallery. Park में तो bro, there's different
डंडा
scenes going
मारेंगे वो
on.
लोग.
Bro, parks में there are different scenes going on. Okay.
क्या?
Have you not seen the parks? क्या
Wait,
क्या होता है?
नहीं, what are
Okay.
you?
Go after 6 o'clock, some dark park. There'll be two people sitting, but you'll only see one person. She didn't understand. She's too like
Oh,
nice. Bro, I've seen दो जिस्म एक जान होते हुए
in a park.
in a park.
But then how would a date be? What is a
Have you used like Hinge and Bumble in India? Have any of your friends used Hinge or Bumble in India?
some of them do, but yeah, why?
How creep men you find there? Like, do you know their profiles? क्या लिखा होता है?
I had this very funny, but one of my friends saw this other guy on the train station, and he had opened his Tinder, and he wasn't even looking, and he was just doing this right swipe,
कोई तो मिल जाए.
right swipe. Oh my god, it is hilarious.
I know one of my friends. She uses Bumble. Okay.
Okay.
But she says Bumble is only for all the creepy men and like people, all the pervs. So people in India start using Hinge because
Okay.
Hinge is like a better version. And then she went out with this guy. His profile was very good.
Yeah.
She went out and she thought कि हाँ अच्छा होगा. They only spoke for like 3 or 4 days, and it was their first date. He started staring at her cleavage for a while, and then she got all weird creepy vibes. He tried to kiss her also. Somehow he's like, I think he's only got one date. He's like,
Yeah.
somehow जो करना है कर लेता हूँ, थोड़ा मजा दे. She's so disgusted by it. She's like,
This is what I mean. Like we need to start like getting people dating at an early age so they understand what is
Yeah.
right and wrong, because by the time they go on their first date when they're in like their 20s or 30s or
भरे
whatever,
पड़े भाई.
they're like so like
They're like, oh, women.
yeah,
Oh
they
shit.
don't know how to behave, they don't know
Yeah.
how, they don't know, and it's so frustrating. It's like थोड़ा training हो जाएगा तो अच्छा है ना. We'll
That's
get
why-
good quality stuff when you're in your 20s.
That's why you need to let your kids
Date.
and understand. Wow, all parents are gonna hate us today.
या घर पे ही बुला लो, गेम्स खेल लो,
हाँ,
कुछ
बुला-
मतलब इतना कुछ
क्या बात
पानी पूरी खाने जाओ,
क्या बात है.
वॉक पे चले
लेके
जाओ.
जाओ अपनी बेटी और बच्चे को वॉक पे, बुलाओ घर पे हमारे जैसे चाय वाय पिलाओ, मजे करो.
हाँ करो, चिल करो यार. I know it's a privilege and it's such a nice beautiful feeling to find someone that you might have strong feelings towards. And it's just sad that we don't let it out.
That is so sad.
But yeah, that's all about
Yeah, I think
dating.
that's all.
And any more saucy questions, throw it towards us. We will definitely
Like
try
this.
to answer it.
When
Okay.
you see a reply with just laughing emoji, no, it's me.
Oh. Okay.
Okay,
Chalo
I think
fir.
that's it. It's a wrap.
Right.
Wrap.
Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye. Bye.